guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking an Airbus 40mm padlock. It's like the Titalium range, very lightweight, and has a swimmer's arm on it, so it's like a sporting type Ranger padlock. Love it to bits, so it's gonna go great with my Airbus collection. Never seen anything like it before. Does have working keys, 5-pin. Do apologise for the light. My wife has my extra lamp upstairs due to reading A Christmas Story to our son. Works lovely. Locked up. Pick I'm going to use is like a homebrew medium hook. Tension wrench is one of these from the Southard, sort of a flexi type one. It's got a tapered end on it. Start front to back. My thumb's still not healed 100%, but we all still like to pick. So front, go, bits open, does go a bit quicker. That's an Airbus 40mm padlock, single pin picked, with a lovely sporting type plastic casing on it. Like I say, it's going to go great in my Airbus collection. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.